Open the Object Tools menu. The first two options are the Pinch and Grab tool. Pinch allows you to select individual objects and move them across one axis at a time. If you have misplaced the axes, you can always move objects back with the Undo and Redo button, step by step. Or you can move an object back to its original position using the Reset button. The Grab tool allows you to grab individual objects freely. As opposed to the Pinch tool, the object you grab stays in your hand and can be turned. To reset, you can move the object back to its original position. There it will lock into place automatically. Next is the Parts menu. Clicking opens a new menu in which there are multiple options. First, you can click on Parts Info. This allows you to see the exact measurements of an object, as well as its name in the file. Further, you can hide objects. Click Show to see the hidden object again. The Color tool allows you to change the color of an object. In our example, we can change the color of different containers, indicating their different use. You can always give an object its original color by selecting it and clicking Reset. The Copy tool allows you to copy an object. XREasy will create a duplicate in the exact position as the original. To see the copy, you need to move it away from the original. The Scale tool allows you to scale objects in different directions. With it, you can reshape objects as wanted. Using the Undo and Reset function, we can put the container back in its original position at its original size.